Hi, I'm Brandon Wolf. I'm a certified PYFP trainer, and in this video, I'm going to show you the correct way to do the trunk lift.
Lay on the mat face down, toes pointed. Place a coin or other marker on the floor in line with the student's eyes. During movement, eyes focused should not move from this marker. Place hands under thighs. Lift body off floor in a very slow and controlled manner to a maximum height of 12 inches. Keeping head in a straight aligned with the spine. Hold this position long enough to allow tester to measure. Return to the starting position in a controlled manner. Repeat and record highest of 2 scores.
Here are some form breaks for the trunk lift. One of the form breaks is do not allow your students to bounce on the way up. And the second form break that you don't want to allow your kids to do is go above the 12 inches.